Hey everyone, so today I have lots of blind boxes and I got these from a store called Strange Cat Toys, and they are an online shop located in the US. I'll put their link in the description box below. No, this is not sponsored. I used my hard-earned cash from it, so I am not getting any free toys from them and I'm not getting any coupons or anything like that. So this is just a place that I found, and it had some of the blind boxes I was looking for, specifically Boxcat and the Hiding Elf Vera. I've been wanting these two blind boxes for a long time and I couldn't find them anywhere because they're kind of older and they were sold out. So I'm so happy I found these. I also got a couple of Dimoos. So we got the Time Roaming Dimoo, the Forest Night Dimoo. We have the Sweet Bean Akihabara, Sweet Garden, Mimi Adventure. I think this is a Dimoo as well? It kind of looks like a Dimoo. And then the Dreamy Stage zzoton. So first we're gonna open this Hiding Elf Vera, and I really like this because it's like these like witch elves on top of a spell book, and they all have like different items according to what class they're taking. Okay, so the font is super tiny. I'm gonna grab another box so I can read a little bit up close. We have the Transfiguration one, the History of Magic, Teleport, Mystery Creatures, Elemental Magic, Astronomy, Herbology, Divination, and Black Magic. And usually I like to kind of sort out which ones I like the most, but they're all really good. I would say the one I wouldn't want as much would be the two right here, Elemental Magic, and then this one, which is the Astronomy. I mean, they're all pretty cute too, but all the other ones I kind of want more besides those two. I'm just gonna pick out the inside. Ooh, I think we got herbology, or is it herbology? So the arm is broken, which is kind of upsetting. So I might have to just super glue that. After a long procedure, we finally got the arm back on, and she goes on top of this green book right here with her cactus. She looks so good. We're just gonna put her carefully. I'm like shaking. Right here. And then here's the little card that comes with. Time to go open the next one. Okay, it's a different colored book, so that's usually a good sign. Ooh, so pretty! So we got the History of Magic. She goes on this blue book here. And she has these little, like, a miniature castle. This is so cute. Okay, so far we have two different ones. Let's open the last Vera box. Okay, we have a pink book, so that's already different. So the one we got this time is the Teleport one. So I was wondering what this was in the picture, and it looks like it's a teleporting door on one side and a cat foot on the other side. And they really could have maybe reduced the details on this one. but here is the teleport elf and the cat butt right there. Next, I can't wait, we're gonna go ahead and do the Boxcats. Oh, it comes with a weight, so people can't like cheat. Oh, I forgot to show you the box. So they're all really cute. I want the subway, the helicopter, the ice cream car, the fire truck, the airplane, the ambulance. They're all pretty good. Actually, the ones I wouldn't really want is the popcorn car. I don't know why. I just feel like it's creative, but also at the same time, I just don't want it as much as the other ones. But the number one I would really want would be the helicopter, the subway, and the airplane. I know one of these is a boat, and I would like the boat as well. Oh my god, we got the airplane! Oh, the airplane has red eyes. But who cares? It's so cute! Look at the details on the back, that butt. And it comes with this card, which has the airplane transport series. Let's put him right there. Ooh, and it looks like we have like a bus or a truck, a semi-truck. They're so cute. And it says box here, and it looks like it's holding some kind of vegetable like cabbage or bok choy or something. Let's grab the card. It's the vegetable van. A QR code. One more. Ooh, we got another blue one. We got the police cat. This is pretty cute too though, and it has P for police. I wish they had like bunny themed, like transport bunnies. Look how cute it is though. It's the police officer. So we did get 3 blue ones in the end, but it's to be expected. There's a lot of blue themed ones in the whole set. So we're gonna go on to the individual ones. I'll just go on top. We'll do the Dimoo time roaming one. So the reason why I got this is because there is a 1 in 12 chance I'll get the one I want, which is this one, number D01. I really got it in hopes I can get this, but this is the main one that I really want. The other ones, they're all okay. I wouldn't mind any of them really, but this is the only one that I want. Here's the other lineup though that we can possibly get, and then 2 secrets. It's big and heavy, very, very heavy actually. Is Video Game Boy, and it's just him carrying a little controller, TV, and a coin and everything else. I don't know if this is all part of it, but okay, so here he is with the little the game pack in there, and then here's his little TV. Put it in the back right here. We'll go with the Forest Dimoo next, just because it's next in line. So here's the Forest Dimoo. And we have a really cute lineup as well. I want the firefly. The night wolf is really cute. The dewdrop, the baby bat. Wildman is cute too. I don't know what the secret is, but I kind of want the secret. It looks like a tree trunk right here. Okay, time to open. Oh no, I think we got the one we wanted. I don't know why I said oh no. I think we got the bat one. Yes, we got the bat one. Here we have our sleeping baby bat Dimoo. I can't believe we got the one we wanted. So I'm pretty lucky when it comes to that. We got the airplane and we got the baby bat. So I am content with this. We're gonna put him right here next to Game Boy Dimoo. Here's the lineup. And they look so cute. The Wild Kids, I definitely want that one. The Dreamy Tailor is really cute too. The Make a Dream, the Naughty Kitty, Look for a Dream. They're all really good. Another weight. Ooh, look at the packaging. It's so cute. And, ooh, do we have... Oh, there's some pieces. I see a wand. Oh, look how metallic... Or, is it metallic? It's pearly. I love this card too. It's like a ticket. So we got Make a Dream. So, Make a Dream gets to hold her wand. If I can get it in. Nope. She looks really good. That pearly like gradient. If you can kind of tell, it's white pearly here, but a little bit blue here. Okay, she's gonna go right here. Next one we're gonna do is the Akihabara Sweet Bean. So here's the lineup. The ones I really wanted. I wanted the UFO catcher, the arcade game, the photo sticker, and the figure, but I also wouldn't mind the Akiba building, the virtual idol, and the otaku, and the girl group. Actually, they're all pretty good. I basically named them all. I wouldn't mind any of them. I don't know what the secret is, but it looks like it's riding a car. I don't really want a car one, so any of the other ones, but especially the UFO catcher. That's the one. That one and the photo sticker. Those two are the ones I really wanted. Okay, who did I get? Wait, we have the gacha one. This is actually one of the ones I wanted too, but it's not on here. It's the one on here. Maybe that's why it's not on here. I don't think it's the secret one though, because I mean it's like on the cover. But the gacha one, yes. And it looks like it has like little fuzzies in its helmet. So let's attach the pieces together. Looks like it's a little Daruma in a capsule. So I'm happy with this one too. We only have 2 more left. Next is the Secret Garden one. It's like a nature themed one and the colors are really vibrant. So the one I really wanted was this blue one, Forever Summer. I also really liked Tulip and Corn Poppy. Little Bull is really cute too, and Lily. The one I really don't want will be Statue and Fountain. I wouldn't want those. Everyone else is pretty good too. And I see orange. Is this corn poppy? So I'm just gonna rip away the plastic around her neck. So we have corn poppy. She has a little like sleep bubble come out of her nose. And she has this kind of golden headpiece. And she has a clear dress with some leaf wings. And then this is really cool because I think it's resin cast. So this is all made out of resin. Her hair is made out of resin, but then this part is the acrylic part, I think. Or vinyl. The details are so nice. And then here is her little card. And it has the gold lettering. And so fancy. I love these cards too. I feel like it'd be really fun to just collect the cards as well. There we go. There's her golden poppy. This is the last one, Mimi Adventure, and it's kind of like a prehistoric one. The box is a little broken up, but it's okay. These are all really cute too. So the candle flower looks pretty cute. The train dragon, stone tribe, king, the glacier wizard though, sleeping mushroom, the dream pilot. Well, I'm just like ripping apart the box. Ooh, this one's really heavy too. Ooh, hold on. There's a lot of different pieces. Put him on the stand first. And then place his crown on top. And this little sword right inside. And he looks so good. So I'm pretty impressed with the overall details of these pieces. I honestly am so happy that we got the king. I'm actually liking the king more than the glacier wizard anyways. So this is probably the #1 favorite one that I've opened today. But I gotta say, I do like all of them. I like my gacha, I like my bat, my airplane cat, and I love the teleport elf. Basically, I'm pointing at all of them, and I think they were just great purchases altogether. So we're gonna go ahead and just show off the little cards we have. Our king, our corn poppy, and then make a dream, gashapon machine, we have baby bat, video Game Boy, history of magic, herbology, teleport, police officer, airplane, and vegetable van. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have some more blind boxes coming in and a couple of weeb hauls that I'm going to be doing, along with a bunch of anime goods that I haven't uploaded yet, so be on the lookout for those. Thank you so much.